Hello guys, it's me, Sierra, aka Naturally Never TD, back with another video, baby. So, continuing with my Back to the Basics series. If you haven't seen part 1 and 2, they will be up in the card section above. If you can't tell, my hair is different. So, I have in box braids right now. So I'm gonna be sharing some basic protective style hair care things for the next couple of videos. So today's video is going to be about how to care for your protective styles. So I actually get this question a lot, and my friend Jakala of JBlissTV suggested that I do this video. So here we go. Okay, so tip number 1. If you don't take anything away from this video, I want you to take away this one thing. Care for your protective style like you care for your real hair. That is so important because a lot of people are like, I took my protective style out. I had so much shedding. I had so much breakage. My hair didn't grow. Well, girl, you didn't wash your hair for 3 months. You didn't moisturize your hair not once. You didn't oil your scalp. You didn't sleep with a satin scarf. Like, if you did that to your real hair, it wouldn't grow either. So, gotta care for your protective style like you care for your real hair. Number 2, I wash and condition my protective styles, especially if I'm wearing them for more than 2 weeks. If I don't wash my hair every week or every other week, my scalp literally boycotts. Like, it's like, girl, what are you doing? We need some shampoo. So I wash and condition my protective style every 2 weeks, and I consistently do that. And I have a video on my channel about how I wash my box braids, but you can apply that to any protective style, really. So if you want to see that video, it'll be up there. Number 3, moisture. You have to moisturize your real hair and your real scalp. So you gotta moisturize your fake hair and your real scalp too. I like to use a braid spray. So I found this random braid spray at my beauty supply store, and I really like it. I'll put some braid sprays that I've used in the past in the description box, but you want to make sure you get a braid spray that is water based. So there are a lot of braid sprays out there that are like an oil spray. You don't want that one. You want a water based spray. If you don't have a braid spray or you can't find one, you don't want to purchase one, it's okay. Spray bottle, fill it up with water and your favorite leave-in conditioner, and it works just the same way. You just want to make sure you're adding water and other good things back into your hair, because synthetic hair can be very drying. I also follow up my braid spray with an oil. So this is the Melanin Hair Care Oil Blend. I really love this oil blend, but you can use, you know, whatever oil or oil blend you like, but that just helps lock in the moisture that you just added back to your hair. So I do that maybe once or twice a week, or depending on how my scalp feels. 4th tip, you need to be sleeping on a satin pillowcase, silk pillowcase, or with a silk scarf or bonnet to protect your hair at night from your cotton pillowcases and cotton sheets. So you know, your roots are out with a protective style. As the style gets older, your hair may, you know, frizz out or the ends may come out. So you want to make sure you're protecting the roots and the ends of your hair from snagging and fraying and causing breakage. So I really notice a difference in my hair when I am consistently sleeping with my silk or satin scarf versus when I'm not. And I'll notice a lot more frizz, and I'll notice that when I take my braids out, the ends are frayed. They need to be trimmed. I need to trim higher up, because that really does make a difference if every night your ends are just scraping against cotton. So I definitely recommend every night or as much as possible sleeping with satin or silk. My 5th tip is protecting your edges. protect your edges. So what I mean by that is I am wearing my protective style down 90% of the time so that I'm not having unnecessary tension, like, you know, a tight ponytail or a tight bun, because I have seen people that have been wearing protective styles for a while and their edges are just like slowly pushing back because they always wear their hair in a ponytail or a bun. So you know, protective styles, they're meant to protect your hair, and but they can be heavy, and it is, you know, extra weight on your strands. So especially if you're pulling them back into a tighter ponytail or bun, that can be damaging to your edges. Number 6, I like to use mousse on my hair to kind of lay down any frizz or flyaways and just make my style look newer. So I've actually had these braids in for 2 weeks, but I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys my roots because they just look so good. Like, this part looks amazing, looks so crisp because I moussed my hair down this morning and like I tied it with a bonnet, tied it with my silk scarf for like 15 minutes just to like lay down any flyaways. So if you've been wearing your style, you know, for a few weeks and you notice that it's like frizzy, just get some mousse and lay it down and it'll be looking brand new, and you'll be able to wear your style longer and it'll look fresher. So I definitely recommend investing in some mousse, just to help with the like cleanliness and like the appearance of your protective style. And my last tip is knowing when to let go. Let it go, let it go. So a lot of people like to wear their protective styles for like 3-4 months, 5 months. I've even seen like 6 months on YouTube, and I'm just like, that is too long. So I usually wear my protective styles around 4 weeks. I try to get to 4 weeks. Sometimes I don't make it that far, but the longest that I would recommend anyone wearing a protective style is 8 weeks, and that's really if you make it stretch. I hardly ever wear my protective style past 8 weeks. I've only ever done that once, and my hair was okay, but I know that if I would have taken it out sooner, it would have been a lot better. So I just, you know, you'll need a trim, and especially if you're not really like being consistent with caring for it, you can do a lot more damage leaving it in a protective style too long than necessary. So I definitely recommend no longer than 8 weeks. Give yourself time to let your hair breathe, let your scalp breathe, give it a good clarifying wash, a deep condition, you know, protein treatment, hot oil treatment, whatever you like to do, and then, you know, wait a week and then get another protective style if you want to, but no longer than 8 weeks, and I always try to give myself at least a week rest in between each protective style. So I hope that these tips help you guys on your hair care journey. I hope these help you care for your protective styles better, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and we'd love to have you in the family. So if you have any other tips that you think I missed, put them in the comment section below to share with the rest of the world. And yeah, if you have any more suggestions about Back to the Basics series content that you would like me to film, let me know as well, and I hope to see you guys next time.